and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining us again for another round of Pouring Coast to Coast, where me and my friends get together every other Friday and share some art. So today's challenge was set forth by the impeccably talented Amber Goodwin, and it was a deceptively simple challenge of doing a monochromatic painting. And I don't know about you, but sometimes when I have a lot of free reign, it can be almost worse because then my mind goes a million different directions of what I could do. And this was not an exception to that. So it was a monochromatic piece, meaning choosing a color and then you can use different hues and tints of that color, shades, whatnot. I chose Golden's Golden's Phthalo Turquoise and went from there. And I ended up doing a mixed media piece. So there's lots of different steps, and yeah, let's just go ahead and get down to the table and pour some paint. Okay, here we are with our colors. So the primary color here for this is Phthalo Turquoise from Golden. I then have that same color mixed with Golden Payne's Gray, and then mixed with Modern Masters Platinum, then mixed with Titanium White from Liquitex, and then this is Seashell from Modern Masters, which isn't technically in the monochromatic scheme, but I'm going to be mixing this, so I'm going to go ahead and count it. As you can tell here, I had done a painting. Immediately I wasn't happy with it, so I scraped it and started over. And the first color I pour into the cup there was the drips that I saved from the scraped painting. So going from there.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, like with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde. a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Oh yeah. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Yeah, let's go. Be free with me. Oh, come on and let's go. Let's be free with me. Yeah, be free, be free, be free with me.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Walk up the river by my son. Feet step over splinters of the moon. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Gold birds, gold string, gold words, gold anything, golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things.
we are with the finished piece. Now I do plan on doing epoxy in that center swoosh part, but I need to wait 2 or 3 weeks to make sure it's fully cured before I do that. But I am so happy with this. I love these swipe parts, the beautiful lacing I got. I'm hoping the video will pick up on the depth of these epoxy pieces. Not sure if that's coming out or not. But yeah, this was really a fun project. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, I hope you have a beautiful day.